Hey guys, Chung here. On August the 8th, 2020, DJI was granted a patent for a phone drone. So a phone drone is not this drone. This is a joke or a April Fool's joke from a few years ago. However, the phone drone that I'm talking about is a Phantom-like drone with a phone gimbal on the bottom. So before you take any conclusions, let me explain the whole concept first. So with the DJI releasing the Osmo Mobile 4 this year, of course with a very interesting special design with a magnet clip or magnetic clip, so you can quickly actually put your phone on the gimbal and also quickly remove it. So having this idea also on the drone enables you to quickly move from your phone gimbal to the gimbal that is directly on the drone itself. So this makes it really quickly to switch from one to the other. But also the benefit of using a phone as the camera is that your phone nowadays have like multiple cameras, and you have phones that can film in 4K and even in 8K right now. And of course, the major benefit is that a lot of phones have a super wide angle and often is much wider than the wide angle that you find on most of the drones. So for example, like on the iPhone 11, you have like an 11mm wide angle, which is super wide angle for really nice architecture photography. And especially if you want to get a wide shot of something, you don't have to fly as far away as like your normal drone. Because if we look at focal length of like the Mavic Pro 2, you have like the zoom, which on the widest is 24, and with the Hasselblad you have the widest on 28. And with those, when you really want to have a wide angle shot, you would need to stitch a panorama together to get that wide angle. But with like the iPhone 11 and certain phones, you can just quickly draw and just shoot that shot in one go. But also, instead of taking photos, you can also take videos with that wide angle. But the other benefit with certain phones right now, you can actually record multiple cameras at the same time. For example, like the iPhone 11. So you could film in a super wide angle and also a teleshot, making it possible to grab both of the different shots and edit them together. So this makes it a much more variable or have like much more different kind of perspective in your videos. But also, another benefit is that if you landed your drone, you have basically all the video and photos on your phone directly, and you can quickly just upload your footages online. But also, nowadays with 5G and 5 or 4G fast internet, you can quickly also store all your photos and videos directly onto a cloud service, and instead of having it first on your camera or on the drone with a SD card and then having to offload them. But also, the biggest downside of this drone is basically if you would crash your phone with the drone, it'd be quite painful when both of them are broken. But the other issue is like to enable it to hold a phone with a phone gimbal, it really needs to be a big drone. So it really needs to be a Phantom sized drone, and right now a lot of people don't really like that kind of size of a drone, especially when you need to travel, and especially if you are just a consumer. This is a really big drone to have compared to like nowadays you have the Mavics, and those are much more preferable by a lot of consumers. And I highly doubt they can build a phone gimbal for a drone that would fit on any of the Mavic size cameras or Mavic size drones. So what do you think about the DJI Phantom Mobile? Would you purchase something like this, or does it really need to have a very specific feature to really make it really interesting? So please comment those here below, and if you really like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos in the future, and if you want to see more videos, there'll be buttons here on the screen that you can click. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.